5 years in high school, yeah.
Water.
Alvin Robinson. Well, one of the two is a pilot. But he's, well, he doesn't fly anymore. He managed to stay at the airport.
We're driving in the water, you guys. Look.
All right, guys. So this is how we cruise here, okay, guys? This is not a roller coaster or something. We had some folks on board one time. I seen a review and it was like, well, I thought we was going to be splashing and this is not a roller coaster. This is a dog. You know, it's not that roller coaster. Like Disney, you guys see the one that Disney come down and do all the splashing and stuff. This can't do that stuff. For the joke, man. Okay, I know people like it.
Hey guys, we're driving in the water.
Okay. So this is the North Creek, guys. And it's the North Creek because it's on the northern end of the island. You also have South Creek. And one of these, just like this, not as big, but similar. The southern end of the island. And I point out those mangroves here because if you look around the edges, right the perimeter there, those are mangroves. We have 3 species, red, black, and brown mangroves. I say help prevent the erosion and provide shelter for the small fish. We have a lot of marine life in here, guys. On the bottom, we got shrimp, we got crabs, we got lobster, we got conch, we got sea urchins, sea stars, sea cucumbers, clams on the bottom here. Okay, lots of grass out here too. Turtles, 3 species of turtles. Just focus on the water, guys. They pop up anytime, anywhere, anytime. You still, we don't have control over them yet. We got to tag them and put chips on them and have remote control, okay, so we can just bring them up whenever we need them to. Yeah, they pop up anywhere, anytime. We have the green turtle, we have the loggerhead turtle, and the hawksbill turtle here. Variety of fish in here. We got goldfish schools of mullet, sprats, baitfish, mackerel. We got sharks, of course, salmon shark, black tip, white tip, green shark, nut shark, friend of mine called a trophy, hammerhead shark in here. Very big shark. Not usual, you don't see them in here that size like that, but sometimes they come in, looking to feed. That gentleman is a fisherman. He's a fisherman, and he used to operate a little bar right here. See this little building right here with a yellow small section on the top with a green piece. He used to run a bar and restaurant right there. But he also has fish traps. He just had fish traps out here, and he had a small little 16 feet long Carolina skid with a 15 horsepower engine or so. And he would come out here with all his fish traps. But he also used to use the gill net for goldfish and mullet. And he had a casting net for the bait fish. And the thing about him, he makes his own net. This guy, he is now the oldest fisherman years ago used to be able to do that. But he is one young person still, I don't know if he learned that trade, but he can make his own net, gill net, casting net, he does that. And he came out of the roller spot and he wrapped that net around the shop and drag it in. And we had sharks. So we go looking for them. But we don't really get them that big, 4 or 5 feet, right? We got a big one. We got snappers in here for a variety of snappers. Yellowtail snappers, mangrove snappers, pot snappers, dog snappers. We got tizzies, that's a snapper. That mackerel, brunts. We got jacks, we got triggerfish. All right, lots of fish in here. Sometimes during the tour, we'll see guys fishing. There's a little slide over there. Guys will paddle over there in a kayak and fish on that slide, and they catch buckets of fish, ice coolers of fish. You see them from time to time. So there's a lot of fish in here. You just have to bait up and hang around and come in. Okay? We had a full Friday this month. Saw a few turtles. most of the land out here, guys, is unused, undeveloped land. Okay, northern side of the island, as well as on the southern section of the island. Lots of unused, undeveloped land. Okay. Zero property taxes here, guys. We don't pay for property. We don't pay property taxes. Okay. Buy a lot is yours.
Trying to get GoPro out. It's at the bottom of the bag.
And if you're wondering about the old boat over here, the old barge over there, guys. That barge has been singing from way back in the late 70s, early 80s. And they did a lot of the dredging in here. They dredged this out. Right now we're at about 11 feet. The deepest we've seen was 19 feet. Full moon, high tide, nice and deep. But they did a lot of dredging here. They opened the channel up a little wider for bigger boats, so people coming in bigger boats. And they must have made enough money doing that dredging, or they must have found some treasure or something, because they left it there, and that's been there for 40 plus years. Just rusting out. Okay? Oh, there's a fan. There's a fan on the back that always spinning. There's a fan. That still works. That still works. Amazing. It's been there for so long. But guys fish off. Time you'll see guys out there do fish in that section over there. Fish over there. A little sandbait right in front of it. That boat's got their marking it so that you don't run around if you want a big boat, bigger boat. Right through Carnival as well. You look out there, there's a